Hi, I'm Eric from RockyMountainATVMC.com, and today we are going over motor mount solutions from Sandcraft Motorsports. So Sandcraft has a couple solutions to keep your motor and transmission where they need to be. If one of these stock OEM components fails, it can cause a ripple effect that could really do a ton of damage. So to start off with, let's start at the front. This is the front motor mount. It's actually a tube. The Sandcraft one is made out of chromoly, 120 wall thickness. It's big, it's burly, all the mounts are burly. It still has the stock location, so everything that needs to be attached to it can still be attached to it. It slips in nice and easy. It's definitely worth the peace of mind. I've seen these things fail and they can just cause a ton of damage. Next up, we have our billet motor mount and trans kit. So this kit, I actually broke on my turbo car. I actually broke the rear transmission mount and cracked it. We were able to catch it. We threw this set on it and I haven't thought about it since. So these are obviously billet construction. The rubber bushing in it is a Kevlar infused product. So it absorbs the vibration, but keeps everything nice and aligned. They've actually incorporated into the design a decreased output shaft angle to keep everything aligned better. So that actually reduces the stress on your driveline, lets that slip yoke work like it's supposed to. I mean, it trickles all the way down to inside your transmission. It's a little easier on your transmission, even your clutch components and your belt life. So it's a great kit. Now on the XP1000, the kit actually includes a front differential shim kit that helps the input shaft angle, so that operates better as well. The turbo car, it doesn't need it. So to wrap it up, these are both, they work in conjunction with each other. It's a great solution for peace of mind for your RZR. You know, you can go and rail it around and not worry about it. If you're interested in these products, make sure and click on the link below or check out our website at RockyMountainATVMC.com. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.